Hi, this is Mark with the Tune-Up Tuesday video, and I want to talk a little bit just about the content of the last class that we were teaching all on emotions. We entitled it, When Overwhelmed. What do you do with the thoughts and emotions that go on inside of your head to get back to internal peace and peace with others? So we talked about 4 R's, and I want to review those over the next few days, perhaps the next few weeks. The first R we talked about was to reflect on the origins of your thoughts and feelings. The second one was to recognize when our goals and expectations become misplaced. The third R was to reframe the goals and expectations as desires rather than goals or expectations. And then the fourth R was to replace those desires with doable goals. So jumping back to the first one again, to reflect on the origins of our thoughts and feelings. I've been aware that I've been having a lot of thoughts and feelings and a lot of overwhelm. Again, the last few weeks with a number of things in life, and in particular, again, with the health concerns of my mom. And it occurred to me today that I have been doing a lot more stewing on emotions and stewing on the kinds of things that I'm encountering rather than taking time to reflect on what's happening internally. So today, on a couple of different occasions, I spent a little more time reflecting on what's happening, reflecting on the emotions and thoughts inside of me. And interestingly enough, as I took time for reflection, one of the things I became aware of was that I actually had more choice, more ability to choose my thinking that then affected my feelings. So, for instance, I have been looking at the calendar for next week, and there are at least 5 different doctor's appointments that I need to get my mom to and or arrange for that to happen. And at first, I found myself stewing, angrily, frustrating. How do I get this all done? Feeling overwhelmed, all kinds of emotions like that, but more stewing on all of that. And as I recognized that, it took time to pull back and to reflect on the emotions and thoughts going through my mind. I was aware that I could change my thinking. And then I could say, okay, let's take one day at a time, one situation at a time, and plan for this, and then plan for that. And as I did that, I found myself slowing down, my mind slowing down, my emotions slowing down, calming down, I should say, and being able to breathe more and not feeling so overwhelmed, and actually finding myself coming back to peace. Because I went from stewing on everything going inside of me to reflecting on my emotions. And that was helpful to me. And hopefully, by my saying all of that today, this is helpful to you as well this week. Spend time reflecting on what's happening inside rather than just stewing. Okay? That's it for Tuesday's tune-up video this week.